Hello, here's a lock that was sent to me by Zio over at keypicking.com. It's one he modified. I think it's a 6-pin. I'm not sure if I've picked this one. I picked several of them and he sent me over on Ustream, but I don't know if this is one of them or not, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick them and get them up on YouTube. I think I've lost everything that I picked so far. Everything has dropped back down. There she is, picked. Go ahead and gut it now. He sent me keys for some of these. I don't know which ones. I've still got the box he sent me. I haven't looked at any of them yet. He's got it taped on the top. He didn't want the cap flying off of it, so. Oops. So there we go, all the key pins. Looks like one of them's turned upside down. Yep, number 5 is upside down. No counter milling. Oops. No master pins I can see. Okay, let's look at the plug. That is the plug, sorry. Let's look at the top pins and see what we got. Number 1 is a spool. Number 2 is a Schlag T-pin. Number 3 is a spool. Number 4 is a T-pin. Number 5. I just dropped. There's another T-pin. Number 6 is another T-pin. And the spring's going to die too, because they're falling out. Okay, so there we have all the pins. Flip flop here, that's what happens. Spool, T-pin, spool, T-pin, T-pin, T-pin. So thank you, Mr. Zio, for the lock. Fun one to pick. And thank you for watching.